In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can download and install the State Farm app on your iPhone. Before we get started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it would just help with the channel, it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But the first thing that you're going to want to do is open up your settings on your iPhone and just make sure that you're connected to Wi-Fi or cell service. You'll need an internet connection to download and install any apps. But from here, you can back out and go ahead and open up the App Store and tap your profile icon up in the top right and confirm that you are signed in with your current Apple ID. Back out then, hit the search bar down at the very bottom, and from here, go ahead and type in State Farm. Hit enter and it's going to take you to a page that looks like this, and if you scroll down a little bit, you're going to see the State Farm app on here. Essentially, go ahead and select it and then hit get right here. And it's either going to verify with your Face ID or it's just going to tell you to install it. Hit install, type in whatever passcode you might have to, and from here, it's going to begin installing. Now, if it doesn't immediately go on to your home screen, just go ahead and back out of this section and scroll all the way to the right until you get on your app library and just search specifically for State Farm on here and then just drag it onto your home screen and you'll be good to go. Once installed, open up that app, and if you already have an account, sign in. If not, create that account, start using the app, and it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.